Here I have VIVO T2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it, can't even unlock your device now. So what can you do in this kind of situation? So firstly you should turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the second option, recovery mode. Here you should select an option clear data, then select clear all data and confirm it, and after a few seconds all the data will be wiped from your device, including your lock screen password. So yeah, then you tap return and just restart your device and it will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.